Hello, welcome to the Graceland University Library's orientation video for the Graduate School of Nursing. I'm going to start with the main webpage for the libraries. This is at gracelandlibraries.org. You should be able to find links to this through Brightspace and from many other places around the Graceland website. We have this starting page is a great place to begin for any type of research. It definitely works for graduate nursing research as well. You'll see two boxes here at the top of the page for searching. We've got search the library catalog here on the left, and we've got search for database articles over here on the right. Both of these actually search in the same system, just with beginning defaults set differently. This one here on the left searches the library catalog as well as all our online sources. The default down here is set to things that are available in the library collection. On the right over here, this searches just our online sources, and it defaults to full text available sources and peer-reviewed sources. Of course, once you get into one of these searches, you could change all those settings. So the results screen is going to look the same from either of these. Most of your research for the Graduate School of Nursing is going to be in an online material. So let's go ahead and start with this box over here. I'm just going to put in a basic default search to give you an idea. And here you can see how the search results are going to look. This is basically a combined search that searches all our available databases in one go. So this is through a service called EBSCO Discovery, and you'll see that this will give results from CNOL Plus. This will give results from numerous other databases. It looks like all the top search results in this one are from CNOL Plus, but you're going to see different results from different databases with these links at the end here. And since we have these limited to academic peer-reviewed journals that are available to us in full text, you're going to see these full text links under the results for each one of these articles. And if we turn that off, you'll see that we'll get more results. So if we want to be able to see ones that we don't have access to in full text, you'll see that number of search results go up. And you're going to see the top ones are still going to be the ones that we have full text available for. But if we went on through that, we would end up seeing ones that we only had an abstract and that you could then request that we borrow from another library. And we'd be happy to do that as well. I'll show you how to do that a little later in the video. So once you're in here, you could also refine this in other ways over here on the left. You could check it basically to narrow it down by publication date. You could narrow it down by the format of publication, whether it's a conference material, academic journal, reviews, whatever else you're looking for. Or you could filter this down by subject or by publisher, by publication, by geography, or you could narrow it down by database. And here again, you'll see that we have a lot of different databases that you're searching all in one go with that consolidated search box.